Racing just is started. We have balik. First the show, quickness at the start. Burgundy is on the outside, fine performer. Rebecca in the middle portion, blushing start. Tara, let's comes next. Masaganang Ani, then comes Sobrang Class. Zamit Masters, Fisher's Champ is down on the inside. Pangani Boy, then next online is Promise, while Mapagtiis is the early trailer by about 15 lengths of the leader. And as they swing down the back, we have Balik by about half length. And on the outside second is Burgundy, fine performer, racing in third. Then comes Blushing Star, Masaganang Ania is racing in fifth. Then comes Divega. Then moving up now, down on the inside is Sobrang Class, Zamit Master. Tara, let's Fisher's Champ, Pangani Boy, Mapagtiis, while Promise. Now racing in 13th, inside the last 400. We have Balik by Auralenka. Burgundy still in second. And Diana Winter in the home stretch. We have Balik by Auralenka. Burgundy is on the outside with about 100 meters of the race. Balik. Burgundy is on the outside. Balik. Burgundy are body round for the lead. And finally it's Balik. Burgundy, then comes Sobrang Class, Fisher's Champ, Saganang Ani, Tara, let's.
Anong datingan?
389-113 at yung